370Z here. The headlights, they have some micro cracking in them, which is something we could do about that. That's from the sun constantly beating down on the faces, which with this car, it's always forward facing with the sun. But you could tell how yellow they are against the white paint, so that made it look bad. But when we got done with it, we got rid of the yellow. You'll see it. BrowardHeadlightRestoration.com. We are mobile. We come to you in Broward, Palm Beach counties, and Miami-Dade County. Here you go. Look at this. Crystal clear against the white. How awesome is that? 754-302-0769. 754-302-0769. We are mobile. We come to you. We service Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. You can text us your pictures if you want, and we'll get back to you, or you can call us 754-302-0769.